Hey man, this nigga got out the pen. He on Facebook kissing bitches in their mouth. You a faggot, nigga. Brian Simpson. You a fucking faggot. Nigga, the fag walked in the shower on you with soap on you. Watched the nigga back. Then you fucked the nigga in D-Mod. Real shit. You a faggot in disguise. We can see it in your eyes. You a faggot in disguise. We can see it in your eye. Brian Simpson. You a faggot in disguise. Brian Simpson. You a faggot in disguise. Brian Simpson. You a faggot in disguise. We can see it in your eyes. Nigga, I rep this red flag. You better stop talking down on my name. Swear to God, when I catch a bitch ass dog, it's gonna be so shame. I put that on Blood Gang. You know I remain the same. Never snitch, don't know, man. Ask that nigga Taz, man. Y'all niggas turn y'all back on the real nigga dog that's in the streets. Only thing that I can think about is getting the bread. Call me Big Meech. Niggas act like they want feet. You ain't got feet. I bleed. It's obsolete. You a faggot in disguise. We can see it in your eyes. You a faggot in disguise. We can see it in your eyes. It's fucked up, hot nigga on Facebook kissing another bitch. Hey, he was in the pen kissing on another nigga. That's on real shit. I don't play no games. Ask my niggas that hang around me, man. You playing them games, your ass will be laying on Ames. Or over south where my killers at, nigga, they get at you. Them niggas watching you, trust and believe they'll get at you. My little nigga twin said that he was in a bullpen with you. You said I'm testifying on Spider G, now I'ma get with you. Look at these gray haired nigga, I ain't lived this long for nothing. 35 years old nigga, I really quick bust your butt. I rep that red, you rep that dead. RP what we said, you a fag instead. He a fag in disguise. I can see it in his eyes. You a faggot in disguise. I can see it in your eyes. He a faggot in disguise. We can see it in your eyes. You a faggot in disguise. You can see it in your eyes. It's fucked up how your sister, dog, she knows she really is a dyke. You might as well be a nigga dyke cause you like dick and that's alright. Understanding that labor though. Niggas talking about it's cool though. Yeah, you like dick and keep it real, nigga. I love pussy, what a split go. Real shit, dog, and I let it go. Echo right through your window. Kill your whole goddamn family. That's on me and that's on my Joes. Real shit, you already know. I ain't got nobody to hold me down. Nigga, never dog been a fucking clown. Northside, what I rep now. Niggas act like they get down. Playing them games, I leave your ass on aim now. I'm an old nigga, but I go hard like Nike, nigga. Shout out, man, to them Nike niggas for dropping, man, them snitch niggas. Skies, I can see it in your eyes. You a faggot in disguise. Faggot in disguise. That nigga Brian Simpson a faggot in disguise. Why that nigga jumped in the shower with you and you ride? Them niggas already told me you ain't gonna slide. Ask Sambo, he know about it. You a fry. Swear to God, you gonna die.